If you want to come outside with me and we'll do some gardening, my way. So, here we go. Today's video is vlog style because, well, it is. Now, yeah, my shed's a bit of a mess. And, well, haven't been overly motivated to actually do much in the way of fabrication for a fair while. You may have noticed a few missed weekly videos. Quite a few. Anyway, I thought I might just give it a break on the fabrication just for this video and try something else. So I thought I might go outside and try some gardening. So if you want to come outside with me and we'll do some gardening, my way. So much corgi out here. Why is there so much corgi? Corgi. So, the culprit. Hey, shed corgi. Wow. Alright, safety glasses, because gardening is dangerous. And maybe hearing protection, because this is me gardening. Is there stuff? This is what the shed's like most of the time, but generally I try to focus my shots on this bit or that bit, but move things around because, well, I need more storage space. The only place left for storage is under the chassis table, so got a big area, 4 meters long, about 800 high, 2 meters deep. It's about the only place I've got for storage around here, so I think I'm going to have to do something with that. But gardening. Come on, shed corgi. He's an old boy now. At the back. Alright, so this is my backyard, and the first part that I'm going to try gardening is, well, this is my path, and this is where I've got no path, so we're going to do some edging. There we have it, some path. Now unfortunately there's a shrubbery growing over my path, so let's see what the 9-inch does with that. Check on, yep. That worked perfectly. Alright, there's a bit more path to get going with, but I think I'll leave it there for the edging. What else needs to be done? Alright, got this patch of grass here, and nothing's really grown since... Oh, Jesus. Happy birthday, OMG! Oh, that's alright, it'll burn out. But it's definitely spiralling. Yeah, I kind of spilled a bit of petrol here once. Anyway, I'm going to see if we can fix it with a 9-inch grinder and the turf that we cut out of the path. That should break up the surface enough for the new turf to send its roots into. And just like that, I've got grass again. This gardening's easy. Let's leave it at that. Yeah, how about we go see what else we can garden. Now, back into the shed. Now, what is it? Hey little fella. Don't want to go that way. Head out the front. Yeah, so I get a little bit of wildlife in here. I actually have some blue tongues hatched out. So let's see if we can see them. Oh, actually, while I'm out here, as you can see, my garden is not the best, and I've got X-Trails growing in the weeds. So yeah. Instead of using the 9-inch, this time I'm going to be using the Death Wheel because it just does a much quicker job. Now, normally I don't destroy things just because I can. This particular little tree, it just happens to be growing exactly where I want to post for my new carport, so it's got to come out. So it's down here somewhere. Let's get rid of the majority of it. Now for some stump removal. This gardening's not quite as easy as I thought. I need a strap. Gonna give this a go. Hopefully this will hold on to the branch a bit better. Maybe I'll just cut it off ground level. Sorted. Alright, what else can I garden? So what do you think of my gardening efforts?
I can see all the way in the backyard.
We've got some greenery here.
Oh wow, enough grass.
Is it amazing? And over here, we've got a path.
Where's that been?
Say cheese.
Okay.
Hey, we're going to do some more gardening, aren't we? Gardening? Gardening. All right. So, wifey was slightly impressed with my efforts. So she asked me if I could take off this dead branch off the apple tree as well. So let's see what happens. We are going to be using the death wheel again. So let's chop it. Lovely apple tree shot. Ooh, so photographic. How far down, you reckon? Here?
Don't hurt yourself.
I knelt in a rotten apple. Yep, grinders are for gardening. Let's go back to the shed. Alright, she's pointing out more bits now. You better hold this then. Still recording. She wants this bit off. Gone black. Any more bits, wifey?
Not this time around.
Alright.
Stickman! Stickman!
Stickman!
Well, this shed corgi doesn't run off with the bits.
That's a good looking chicken coop there.
Yep, it's because I built it. Alrighty. That's it for the gardening. That's it for the gardening. So, back to the shed. Come on, Corgi. What are you doing, Corgi? What are you doing, Corgi? Hey, got the ball? Got the ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Got the ball? Got the ball? Got the ball? I've got the ball? Got the ball? Here's one quick corgster.
That bit needs to come off.
Come on, Corgi, all the way back. Don't be lazy.
Come off. That bit needs to come off.
Throwing the ball for yourself now. Ready, 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 ready. Okay, let's go. He's a good looking corgi. That was actually pretty good. Got outside, did some stuff that wasn't fabrication, and, well, I'm actually a little bit more motivated now. So many projects. I think I might try getting onto the buggy for the next video. Do some more bead rolling, do the panel work. Really want to get that thing finished because it should be fun. Yeah, the mini buggy needs some loving. So does the Cubman. It's not gathering dust, it's got a sheet on it. So yeah, anyway. It's actually good to get out of the shed and do something non-shed related. So, yeah, until next time, customize everything.